I've got some lovely Year 8 volunteers here who've given up their break to film and help with this topic here. So we're going to be looking today at calculating an estimated mean from a table. Alright, so here we've got a column here which shows the number of cats in a particular street. The frequency column shows how many streets have got that number of cats in the street. So reading it, we've got 4 streets have got households with between 3 and 7 cats in them. Okay, so let's have a look what we do here. The first job that we've got to do, we've got to go over to our skills board here, and this shows us how to calculate a midpoint of 2 numbers. Supposing I've got the 2 numbers 5 and 15, I've got to do 2 things to count the midpoint. First of all, I've got to add the numbers together. So who can tell me what 5 plus 15 is? 20, well done, absolute genius. So 5 plus 15 is 20. The next job I've got to do, when I've added the 2 numbers together, I've got to halve my answer. So who can tell me what half of 20 is? 10, brilliant. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. That is my midpoint. Now I'm going to do midpoints for each of these numbers here. So we're going to do the 3 and the 7 first and get a midpoint. So 3 plus 7? 10. Half of 10? 5. So 3 plus 7 equals 10, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. I'm just going to write the numbers in from now on. We've just got a method in that column. 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12. 20. Excellent. Yeah. Half of 20? 10. Alright, so next midpoint is 10. So we've got 5, 10, and then finally we've got 13 plus 17.
Is it 30?
It is 30. You are so clever. You should be in my class, right? So 30. Now, here we go. 15. God, the knowledge is pouring out. So 15 here. We've got 5, 10, and 15 as our midpoints. Our next job is to do an F times M column. So here's our frequency F. We're going to multiply it by each of our midpoints here. So we're going to have an F times M column. So I'm going to do 4 times 5. Brain work now. 20. Right, so 20. 2 times 10?
20.
Well, we like 20 today, 20 again. All right. Now, there's one that will challenge you. 8 times 15. Tick tock, tick tock. I'll give you a clue. It ends in 20. 120. Well done. Right, 120. So, what we add now, we add up our F times M columns. We add up all the numbers in that. So what was
160.
160. 160, good, 160. And then we've got to add up all of these numbers here.
14.
14, okay, 14, yeah, 14, yeah, excellent. So totaling those columns. So the final thing we've got to do, to get our mean, we've got to divide the 160 in the 4th column, the F times M column, by the 14 in the frequency column. So the final answer, the mean, is going to be 160 divided by 14, and I'm not going to expect you to do that. In fact, I'm going to cheat on this one a little bit, so sorry about this. 160 divided by 14, and that gives us a mean of 11.4. And that is how we do estimated mean from a table. Thank you to my Year 8 volunteers.